Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we're doing the Ipsy unboxing. Unbagging. I like to call it unbagging. I prefer unbagging. I do. Alright, if you don't know what Ipsy is, which would be crazy because I mean Ipsy has been around forever, but it is a monthly subscription. It is mostly deluxe sample size, small sample size, amazing top brands. I'm trying to think. I paid $20 to get it here in Canada. I believe it is, I want to say 12, 14 in the States. Yeah, every month. It's great. I love it. I love getting this bag. It's always so much fun. I love getting add-ons that you can buy with it. You also get to choose a product every month, and that is amazing too. I cannot wait to show you what I chose this month. I am actually really excited. I have been wanting to try this product for a long time since it came out, and finally got a sample size of it. All right, we've got a lot of stuff in this bag. Woohoo! Okay. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, let's start with this item, which I'm really actually super pumped about. I got this with my points this month. Oh, I'm kind of sad though. I had got another palette, I think. Oh no, I bought another palette from the Balm, which is these guys, and for July, and it did not show up. Makes me sad. It was the Picture Perfect one, I think. I believe so. But this is the Cheeks on the Go Auto Balm Curl Powder. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. This is like a nice highlight. Not just highlight. This one looks like... Oh no, these are all definitely blushes. Woo, not sure if that one's my color, but... They're very light, very subtle. See that? But I am so excited. I love the Balm. Their bronzer, what's it called? This one. Take Home the Bronze. I've been using this one in the shade Oliver for, oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I got it in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. And I just hit pan, you guys. That's sad. Makes me so sad. I am absolutely in love. This one I'm definitely going to have to reorder. So I saw this for our points, and I believe it was $1,800, and I had to get it. I was so excited. That is amazing. I'm super pumped to have this. But let's get into the bag. Look at this bag. Oh my God. It's got star and the moon. And then it's gold and black. And then it's like, is this the Illuminati symbol maybe? No, not quite. But on the back it says "Your Magic." Ah, how exciting is that? I love the feel of it. It's like leathery. And then in my bag, we've got a card. Will this tell us what products we get in the bag? I don't know. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And it does. Woohoo! I love having the products list available so I can explain better to you what it is and why I like it, etc. And then it also says when it all, save the date for your add-ons, which is November 2nd. Product sneak peeks. You saw it here first. Get an early look at the faves. We'll be packing into bags, add-ons, and upcoming deals. Oh, that's on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That's what I said. Oh, let's get social. Goodness, where's my head today? Oh my. And then it says on thing, Your Magic, with a pinch of shimmer and a wave of a mascara wand this month, cast a spell on yourself, whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap. Let your intuition guide you to your goals. Oh, you guys, I just love that. All right, so first I'm going to grab, throw that over there. First, I'm going to grab the product which I chose this month, which I'm like super duper excited about. It is the Lash Blowout. This is the mascara that they collabed with Dry Bar, I believe. Yes. Made in partnership with Dry Bar, known for their fast bombshell blowouts. This mascara gives your lashes insane curl and volume, like a round brush stylist used on your hair. The unique wand gives lashes long-lasting lift, thickness, and definition for 19 times more volume. Tip: wiggle the wand from root to tip for a falsie effect. This is the 7 mil version, and I'm so excited. I've had this in my wish list on Sephora for a long time. I've always wanted to try it, and I just haven't done it yet. I was hoping Ipsy would get a sample, and they did. This is the wand. I like the shape of wand. It doesn't look too big. I'm so pumped to try this out. Oh my goodness. Oh, so exciting. So exciting. Finally got a sample size. All right. Next product in the bag, I'm actually really excited about. If I can get it out of the plastic. Okay, this one is a highlighter, and it is from the brand Essence, and I have been checking out their products a lot lately, and I absolutely am impressed. They're a cheaper drugstore brand. You get it at Shoppers here. Yes, I don't believe it's at Walmart. It's just Shoppers Drug Mart, and I absolutely love it. This is the highlight. I just bought a blush recently, and I absolutely loved it. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. A golden highlight. I'm loving it. Let's put some highlight on. I don't have any highlight on today. Oh, that's gorgeous. I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but oh, there you go. Now you can kind of see it. I love it. One of my favorite parts to put highlight is right here. My lips. I'm all about the lips. I'm super excited to have this. I want to try a palette, an eyeshadow palette. I have not done that yet, and I'm going to get one next. All right. Let's move on to the next product in the bag, which is, ooh, I'm actually really excited about this one too. This is a really tiny sample size, but that's okay. It's the Maracuja? I'm sorry if I butcher names. It's by Tarte. It is a tinted hydrator. I got the one in light sand. I don't know if you can see that color. Let's pop her open and give her a try. See if it's too dark. Woo! For me. Oh, no. Rubbed it out. It's got a nice glow to it, and it's actually perfect. I thought it was going to be too dark. It looks too dark. But it's not. Sweet. I like a tinted moisturizer. I'll definitely try this in my skin routine. All right. Last product, I believe. Is it? Nope. What did I buy? I'm trying to go through the products and remember what I bought as an add-on. Because there's 5. Is it 5? Oh, I guess I could just look at the book. I might be getting a little tired. I cleaned my house and I've been doing laundry and the makeup and the shower. Everything has just been a little much. Okay. So the next product, which is amazing, is 2 sheet masks from the brand Timeless Beauty Bar. We got Face of the Day, Soothing Restoring Face Sheet Mask with Rose and Aloe. Benefits depuffing, hydrating, soothes redness, reduces redness, and soothing. There's that one. And then we also got, I'm not even going to try. That's the name. Something C. Ooh, seaweed extract, chamomile, and mushroom extract. Anti-inflammatory, calming, hydrating, and repairing. Ooh, I'm excited. If you know me, if you've been watching my videos, I absolutely love sheet masks. I have a Sephora fridge now, and this is all my extras, so I just swap them out, or not swap them out. Once I use one, I put a new one in, And I just love sheet mask so much. So I'm really excited. And then the last one item that was in my bag, I'm sorry, which is kind of funny because I got my BoxyCharm today. So this would be the third video. If you watched that, you would know that I got LUXIE brush set, the exact brand. It's the Pixie one? No. What was the other one? Hold on. Okay, BoxyCharm. What did we get? Oh, the Wonderlust set. And I'm pretty sure this is from the Wonderlust set. And it's the Pro Precision Tapered brush. What's this one for exactly? I don't know why I had to do that. Whether you're creating a sheer wash of color or bold eye looks, this fluffy brush is your must-have for applying your powder shadows with ease. How are you supposed to, I guess, it's like an all over? I don't know. That seems really big for your eyes. It says sweep this brush over your lids and up into your eye crease to blend out bold shadows. Oh, it's also, this oversized, slightly tapered tip also blends out bright blushes and highlighters like a pro. That's funny. I just put a highlighter on. Nice. Consider this your go-to for all your beauty looks. So that's amazing. Like I said, I love brushes. I don't know if I said that in this video. Let me rewind. I love getting brushes. I love beauty brushes so much. And it's funny that I got this. And then right here, let me give it a mess because this is the third, like I said, third box. We got the other ones from Boxy. So I'm getting a whole lot of LUXIE brushes today, and I am not complaining. That is awesome. All right. Okay, so now we are on to add-ons. I love the add-on section. If you have not checked out the Ipsy add-on section, you definitely should. They have awesome products. The products start at $3, and then there's $12 products and $18 products, and I believe $25 products, and you can choose, it's up to 8. And I chose three different products today. So we'll start off with this one. This is the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. Next generation retinol oil reduces appearance of pores, wrinkles while fighting signs of premature aging. Sorry, the words don't want to actually come out of my mouth today. Aging and surface redness. And this one is by Sunday Riley. Just a deluxe sample. I'm using right now the plant-based retinol product I got. What did I get it in? Look Fantastic. It's called Balance Me. And I've been using that one, so I can't wait to try this one out. It's full. That's awesome. Look at that. It's cute little bottle. Definitely can't wait to try this. And then, because your girl loves face masks, sheet masks, skincare. Okay, I love skincare. I got some more. We got 2. I believe there's 2 in here. Yeah, 2 PURIFACE. I think that says PURIFACE. I'm sorry for butchering these names. I'm horrible for that. Dermal Purifying Sheet Mask. Biocellulose vegan sheet mask for deep pore cleansing that promotes radiance and healthy looking skin. I'm excited. I love sheet masks. I every day I put on a sheet mask. Yeah, we got 2 of the exact same one. Oh wait, no, I lied. This is the dermal one. This one's a collagen one. Eggshell membrane ultra slim sheet mask for brightening, moisturizing the skin so that complexion looks revitalized. Oh, the words. They just won't come out of my mouth. This is the other one, which is awesome. Hey, I'm not complaining. I thought they were both the same, but these both sound fantastic, and I cannot wait to try them. All right, last item I have, which I thought was really interesting. I think I've seen these around before. I never ended up getting any, but they're Blemish Patches. Non-medicated hydrocolloid. Sorry. Spot treatment. There's 36 in here. Protects blemishes from dirt, debris, and infections. Blends in with skin for daytime or overnight use. Reduces inflammation and redness. Gently absorbs impurities. So you like literally put it over. It says cleanse and dry affected area. Remove the patch from protective film and apply should I just give up? Apply directly over blemish. Huh. And there's 18 patches? Oh, there's 36 patches in this with two different sizes. One size is 10 millimeters and the other is 12 millimeters. Huh. We should open this and check it out because I've never seen these before. Like, I've never had any before is what I mean. I've seen some on Amazon, I believe, and I was going to check them out, but I never did. That is so cool. They're literally tiny little patches. I wonder if you could put makeup on them. I wonder if that's what that meant. Let's see. Individual adhesive patches absorb excess pus and oil, minimizing the appearance of blemishes while acting as a protective cover. Easy peel package. Huh. Well, I'm definitely going to try these out because I have breakouts like all around here lately. It's been really bad. So I'm glad to have these. And I will let you know. I'll let you know in a later video what I think. I'm going to try one tonight, I think. That's awesome. But yeah, that was everything. I've got a huge mess in front of me that I now need to clean up. But a great day for mail and great day for Ipsy bag. I love this bag so much. I'm so pumped. Oh, I forgot to show you the inside. And it's just black, but then it's got the Ipsy tag. Love it. Love it. All right, that is everything. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.